Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. I know it's been a little while, but it is summer season. I do work in a seasonal area and like the beachy area where it's very busy, and no excuse to not be able to come on here and film for you guys, but it has been really busy at work. And I am trying to squeeze time in to get these videos because I do not want to give up on doing my YouTube videos. Hopefully within this next month, things will start to slow down at work and I will be able to film like I want to and have a schedule and all that stuff for you guys, because I really truly enjoy this and this is my passion. So today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm box, which is completely destroyed. I have not looked at anything again because I love to be surprised in these videos so that you guys can see the surprise with me. It's very hard not to see thumbnails and to have this box for a week and not be able to open it because I was not able to film it. So if you do not know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription, and it comes with about 5 full-size products every single month, and I love this subscription. There's like, I love this one, I love my Ipsy, and I love the Ipsy Glam Plus. So those are like my favorite 3. Oh, and Allure. Anyway, you're here for the BoxyCharm, so let's go ahead and get into the BoxyCharm. I'm excited. It's been sitting there way too long for me to not be able to get into it. All right, so hello Charmers. Open it up, and there's no black piece in there, the cushiony piece. That's what it looks like. And this says the skin bar at Ulta Beauty and Elemis. It's a coupon for $10 at the skin bar. I love Elemis. Elemis is a good product. And then this is all natural is the theme. See, I didn't even know that, so I did pretty good on not seeing the spoilers. And on the back, it tells you a little bit about each thing. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing, oh, it looks like it's a Luxie brush set. Luxie GAEA. I am not even going to attempt that. 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect, it's like, I can't even see this. It's like shining through. Let's see. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. And precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. Valued at $30. I love Luxie brushes. I think you can see, yeah, I have a, oh, sorry about that. I have a set there that I haven't even opened yet, but I have lots and lots of Luxie brushes. So you open up, oh, I like, okay. So a little bit different. It's like a wood feel to it. I don't know if you can see the texture there or not. It's not like this soft, I don't know how to explain it. It's just a different kind of texture. But there is your 246 crease, precision crease. There is your foundation 510. And here is the large eye blending. I love Luxie. I love this product. I am super happy about this. Okay, so, oh, there's the black thing. It was just hiding. It's in there. All right, so the next thing in here is cleansing spa water. Okay. Not too happy about that. Kojando Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. These convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with the mineral-rich cleansing spa water. $17. I would not spend $17 on wipes. I'm sorry. Would you spend $17 on wipes? Not me. Not happy about this product. I mean, I'll use them because they're here, but not happy about it. Not the best thing that BoxyCharm has given you. Ah, so this is why the Elemis thing was in the box. I love Elemis. Elemis is such a good product. Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smoothens, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. $35. Elemis is expensive. Have I tried this one? I don't think I've tried this one. This one may be a new one. Elemis works. I love it. This is, looks like full size. 2.5 US fluid ounces. It is sealed. Let's see what it smells like. So it's kind of like got a greenish tint to it. I don't know if you can tell with my lighting being all gross today. It does have a smell, but it's not a bad one. It's like a clean one, and it just rubs right in. So that will be nice. I will definitely be using that. And it says, apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Why dark? Does anybody know why it says a dark cloth? Leave that in the comments. I'm kind of wondering why it says dark cloth. I don't know. Anyway, good product. Very happy with that. All right, and what is, that's 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's next. Oh, we have 2 more products in here. And one is Luna by Luna. I have heard of this brand before, but I've never had anything from it. And it is a lip gloss. Prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting cover while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. And it's $18. And I have it in the shade Mars. Let's see. Okay, packaging is kind of cute. It has little stars on the end of it. Luna by Luna lip gloss. It's a nice nudie color. It doesn't smell really good, but it's not very opaque. It is definitely a very gloss, like, you know, very gloss. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay. I mean, I'm not upset about it. I do love lip glosses. Obviously, that's like my favorite thing in the world right now. I can't leave the house without a lip gloss. So I'm not disappointed. And I'm happy to try a new brand. All right, and the last product. I had no idea that Butter London even made palettes. So this is a palette from Butter London, and it says Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Serving Queendom Realness. Okay, where's my crown? Bring out your inner goddess in Butter London Vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. Valued at $32. Packaging is nice. I really like the packaging. It's cute. And then when you open it up, okay, there's a pop of color in there. So let's see if I can make it so you're not blinded. There are your shades. I mean, they're okay. I'm not knocking it. Let's go ahead and do a couple swatches. Enchantress, very soft. Queen, Star, they're all very soft. It looks like there's only 2 mattes and the rest are all shimmers. So there are those 4. Okay. I mean, just, you know, normal shimmers. They're pretty. I'm not saying they're not. Let me get my makeup wipe. I'm not knocking it. Didn't expect to see something like this, but it's okay because it's something new, something I don't have, and I enjoy getting stuff like that. And let's see what these 2 mattes are like. So Tempress and Femme Fatale. Oh, I can't talk. I never can talk. And I'm struggling. Fatale. I don't know. You guys make fun of me down in the bottom. I don't care. It's me. We all know me. So there's your 2 mattes. And then let's see. Okay, so that's nice. It went on very nice. Didn't really skip a whole lot. The blue did a little bit, but I bet if I go back over it, it'll be fine. Yeah, I mean, that's a nice palette. It has a nice little pop, excuse me, has a nice pop of blue in it. I'm not knocking it. I kind of like it, and I will definitely be trying this tomorrow. So, let's recap what our BoxyCharm had this month. Was it worth waiting? Yeah, I think it's always worth waiting. I really like getting my BoxyCharms. They, it's something for me to look forward to. They don't ever disappoint completely. There may be one bad product in there, but you're only paying $21. So I definitely got the value of this box. So recapping, we have the palette, we have the lip gloss, the wipes, the Elemis, which is fantastic product, and the Luxie brushes, which are amazing. So the only thing that I really don't like are the wipes. I'm happy about everything else. I mean, and I'll use the wipes, so it's not a complete fail. But yeah, here's our BoxyCharm. I have variation number 4. Excited. So, I'm excited to be back. I can't wait to film the rest of my boxes. I have lots of them sitting there. Super, super happy to do it. Can't wait. And thank you guys so much for coming. Don't forget to leave me a comment. It truly, truly helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.